Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin on the stovetop. Measure 2 cups flour and 0.5 teaspoons salt, then cut in 6 tablespoons cold butter until crumbs form. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons iced water. You want a shaggy, not sticky, dough. Once combined, pat and press the dough directly into an 8 to 9 inch heavy skillet to form an even base and up the sides. Make sure to chill it for about 10 minutes. This firms the butter and prevents a greasy crust. Next, make the filling while the crust rests. You heat a saucepan and combine 4 cups sliced apples with 0.5 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to balance sweetness. Stir in 1 teaspoon cinnamon and 2 tablespoons cornstarch to thicken. Simmer until glossy, about 5 to 7 minutes, so juices reduce but apples stay tender. Once done, cool the filling slightly so it won't make the crust soggy. Then spoon and spread it. To finish, cover the skillet and cook on the lowest flame for 25 to 30 minutes. This simulates gentle oven heat and cooks the crust through. Once most moisture is absorbed, uncover for the last 5 to 7 minutes to brown the top and evaporate remaining steam. Let the pie rest 15 minutes before slicing so the filling sets. If the crust or filling seems soggy, simply reheat uncovered on low for 10 to 12 minutes. This helps evaporate excess moisture and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.